Welcome to a special journey of discovery to Dipangkorn Temple, a true jewel on the island of Koh Samui. In our drone footage, we'll show you this fascinating place where Thai spirituality and exciting adventure uniquely combine. Join us as we explore different paths to this extraordinary temple. Sit back and enjoy the flight. We are now on a ridge between Lamai and the majestic Dipangkorn Temple. This impressive temple, built in honor of the Thai Crown Prince, is listed on Google Maps as Pra Buddha Dipankara. The temple is constructed at the highest point of the island, about 650 meters above sea level. The ride here is already an adventure, showcasing the island's original beauty. On one side, we can already see in the distance the impressive temple building with the towering Buddha statue, while on the other side we can enjoy the view of Lamai Bay. This combination of spiritual presence and natural beauty makes the place so special. There are also some paths over Magic Garden and Maenam to reach the temple. We want to show you a few alternatives that all lead to Dipangkorn Temple. Buckle up, it's rough terrain. The variety of paths reflects the philosophy of Buddhism. There are many paths to enlightenment. And finally, this can happen when you put too much faith in Google Maps. Not all roads on Samui are suitable for small cars. Finally, we are getting closer to our destination. Dipangkorn Temple is within reach. The growing anticipation quickly makes us forget the hardships of the journey. Upon reaching the 5-story Buddha building, we are greeted with a breathtaking 360-degree view around the island of Koh Samui. We are enchanted. On clear days, you can even see the neighboring islands of Koh Phangan, Koh Tao and other islands from here. The bamboo scaffolding for renovations takes our breath away. We give our full respect to the workers on this scaffolding and are torn between carelessness and great improvisational skill. But see for yourself. After a thorough look around, we begin our descent, not without admiring one of another Buddha artifact. The intricate details and fine craftsmanship testify to the deep spirituality of Thai culture. We are not the only tourists admiring this site. It seems that Buddha and fun are not contradictory. In Thailand, religion is oft approached with refreshing lightness. Among the many cultural and religious statues, the red Ganesha also seems to be having fun and waves goodbye to us. At this point, we give a compliment to the drone pilot, whose endless passion is inspiring. Thank you. If you enjoyed the video, share it with friends, give a thumbs up or share your thoughts in the comments. We look forward to it. Thank you.